Welcome back to Ogil Tech, and today we'll be looking at unboxing this smart band. This is the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active. This is the white color, and it comes with some exciting features like a larger display, smooth refresh rate. You can stand up to 18 hours of battery life, all the SpO₂ monitoring, also scientific sleep monitoring, all the heart rate monitoring, 50 sport modes, and also is 580 water resistance. And with all this packed in this smart band, let's stay tuned to see what is inside this box. So let's see. Here we have the manual, different languages explain about the product. Here we have the charging cable. This one has the magnetic point here. And here is the smart band from Xiaomi. So let's see what is inside. Here is the covering for the smart band. As you can see, this is the white edition. So, and this is the it looks well built, nicely built smart band. And yeah, so watch out for the review of the smart band on this channel. As you can see, this is the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active, and promises quite a lot of exciting features, like I've recently or previously mentioned. And that is it for the unboxing of the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active.